Alright friends, now we are learning about strings, which means sequences of characters in Java programming. So in our previous lesson, we saw the char data type, which stores a single character. So if you want to store multiple characters, like word or sentence, you need to use strings. Okay, how can I declare it? I come here, I say string. So I give my variable name string message equals to, in string I need to use double quotes instead of single quotes. Okay, I say hello. Let's print this message. So I give my variable name inside the print ln. I save it and then I run it. I compiled already. I run it. You see hello appears. Super. So what does it mean? Sequences of characters. Strings here made up 5 characters. We don't know yet, but string chain of characters. I need to use index logic here. In my zero index, I have my first element, which is h. And then the first index contains the character e. So it's my first index. And then I continue. It's my second index, my third index, my fourth index. So it starts with index 0 and it increases one by one. At the end, it ends with index 4 because I have 5 elements. If I had a 10 character element, so the index would end at 9th characters. So if I had a 10 character element, the index will end at 9th index. So my last element all the time at -1 index. Okay, I hope you understand this logic. I can update also this message string. I say message equals to John, which is my name, for example. I save it, I compile and run it. You see, I can update it. How can I? I use string variable and then I assign new value. Okay, we learn how to use string in Java programming.